హే హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు హలో బిజీ మామ్స్. సో ఇవాళ వీడియో వచ్చేసి అవ్యాన్ కుక్ చేస్తే అని టైటిల్ చూసారు కదా. సో యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ వీడియో అనుకోకుండా తీసాము. వాడు నేను కుక్ చేస్తే అంటే స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు వాడు వచ్చేసి నేను చేస్తా అని చెప్పి ఈ మధ్య మరీ ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది. హీ వాంటెడ్ టు కుక్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. నేను అసలు ఇట్లా కిచెన్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే వచ్చేస్తున్నాడు అనమాట. సో అలా సరే అని చెప్పి వాడితో చేయించాను. సో అట్లా అప్పుడు నేను నా కోసం యాక్చువల్లీ పర్సనల్గా మా కోసం అని చెప్పి వీడియో తీశాను. కానీ ఇంకా ఇంకా నాకు అనిపించింది అంటే ఇట్ వాజ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ 22 minutes ఎంతో అయింది. సో ఐ థాట్ లెట్స్ షేర్ ఇట్ ఇన్ యూట్యూబ్. మీరు కూడా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. ఎవరైతే అవ్యాన్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఉన్నారో యాక్చువల్లీ కొంతమంది అన్నారనమాట, అవ్యాన్ ఫ్యాన్స్ అవ్యాన్ ఉంటేనే వీడియోస్ చూస్తాము ఎక్కువ అని. సో వాళ్ళ కోసము ఐ థింక్ దే విల్ ఎంజాయ్ అవ్యాన్స్ వీడియో. సో ఇంకా లేట్ చేయకుండా లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. అండ్ అంతకన్నా ముందు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళై ఉంటే ఖచ్చితంగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ఆల్రెడీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళైతే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ యా లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. సో వాడు ఎగ్ ఫ్రైడ్ రైస్ చేస్తున్నాడు అనమాట. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇది రెసిపీ చూపించడానికి అర్థం కాదు, జస్ట్ వాడు చేస్తుంటే చూడడానికని అంతే. వాట్ ఆర్ యూ మేకింగ్ అవ్యాన్? పప్పు చాలువా?
Papa chala. It's also be very yummy, yummy.
ఓకే.
Dum 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 dum.
అలా మ్యూజిక్ అట్లా పాటలు పాడుకుంటా చేయాలా కుకింగ్?
It's called number two. All of those are numbers. They make me best.
Oh, they make you feel best? Oh, the numbers? You know 23 is Mama's birthday number.
It's called times 22.
22 is your birthday number.
3, 2. I don't know what's my birthday cake.
Is it? Okay.
Huh?
Mm.
Like.
No, if I turn off the light, the chimney will also be switched off. Okay.
Go away, you chicken smoke. Go away today.
Go away, you cheeky little smoke. Mari cook chesthe smoke idu vastundi kada. This is not called smoke.
It's called the smoke.
Hmm?
Can I make fake stuff?
నీకు వచ్చుగా మళ్ళీ నేను నేర్పించాలా?
Call it a cops. What is that?
What?
I made yummy food for you.
Oh, you're making yummy food for me? I already had my dinner. This is for daddy.
I'm making this to daddy.
Okay, you're making this to daddy. Very good.
Mama,
What you gonna become when you grow up, beta?
I'll become a chef when I grow up.
You will become a chef when you grow up?
Yeah.
Wow. Sometimes you say you become astronaut, and sometimes you say chef, and sometimes you say doctor. So while cooking you become chef. You become chef. No?
That's a problem with this.
That's the problem with it, kada? Avunu, correct.
That's the problem with this farm.
Okay.
It has is this a chimney?
Know that. You know where is chimney?
This causes chimney. Then it's going to grab folk. Put it in here.
Chimney will grab the smoke and put it there, okay?
Okay, in the chimney.
Okay.
Do you see this bubbling?
Yeah, it's splattering, yes, correct. నీకు ఇవన్నీ ఎవరు నేర్పిస్తారు నాన్న? స్ప్లాటరింగ్ అది ఇదని.
Mama, you have to dip that into there.
Oh, I have to put what? Next ఏం చెప్పు మరి.
Next time you have to put that in there.
ఏంటి అది చెప్పాలి నువ్వు. ఏం చెప్పు?
It's called pasupu.
పసుపు. ఓకే, పసుపు వేయాలా? ఓకే.
Yeah.
నెక్స్ట్ పసుపు తర్వాత ఏం వేయాలి?
You put pasupu.
Okay. I put pasupu. Next, what's next again? Oh no. Chip next ento.
Then you have to give it stuff.
Oh, you have to give it a stir?
Is anyone watching?
Yeah, see, everyone are watching there. Uh.
Is anyone watching?
Yeah, I'm watching, Nana. You can stir. అంటే నేను చూస్తేనే స్టర్ చేస్తావా నువ్వు?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to hold this.
You have to
Hold this one. Yeah, it won't. It's not so hot. Yeah.
It's cold.
This will be cold. Don't touch this one. Okay, na?
It'll be hot. Don't skip.
Yeah. Don't get scared.
I didn't stir.
I know you are good at stirring.
Chefs are very good stirring.
Abu, chefs are very good at stirring. So you feel that you are a chef?
Chefs are very good.
Chefs are very good because they make yummy food, kada?
Amma, you have to stir again.
Okay. Let me stir. You're my little helper?
Yeah.
You want to hold from both the sides
Yeah.
when I stir?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, Avyaan. Thanks for the help.
You have to put it out.
Sorry.
Then you have to put it.
Sorry, no, wait.
It's all salt in there.
Yeah, it's all salt in there.
Yeah, that's enough salt.
Yeah, that's enough salt. Correct.
Mama,
Mm.
you have to put column in there.
Oh, I have to put karam. Okay, I forgot to put karam. Do you like karam, Avyaan?
No.
No? Sometimes you say I love karam. కొంచెం వేద్దాం సరేనా because we have put already 2 green chilies.
Mama, we only one column.
Yeah, very little.
That's only enough. One column. We need only not 2 columns.
Okay.
Only 1 column.
Okay.
A little bit up.
Yeah. Can you stir?
It's called. You put all a column in there. Then I stir.
Okay. Stir.
Yeah. Is you are watching?
Yeah, everyone are watching.
Is problem with making yummy food is to cut.
Is that a problem to make a yummy food, Avyaan?
Yeah.
Okay, Mayali. Already I have put everything. ఇంకేం లేదు నాన్న.
We need only there.
Asafuditana.
Yeah.
Okay. Little bit of asafudita.
You have to put this back in there.
Okay, I'll put. ఇది మాత్రం అసలు.
That's.
You want everything to be closed immediately, కదా నాన్న? We forgot eggy because it's a egg fried rice. కానీ ఎవరైనా egg fried rice లో asafudita వేస్తారా? Everyone will laugh now.
Anyone will love to make an egg fried rice.
No, they don't laugh to make egg fried rice. They laugh because we have put asafudita in egg fried rice.
Mama, you have to open the fridge.
Okay. To pick up the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You're like chef.
Yeah, just give.
Chef,
I'll put this
very
one
good.
there.
Chef, very good. Oh, Mama, you got to put ginger garlic paste.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to put ginger garlic paste.
You have to most.
Oh, thanks for reminding me, Avyaan. I completely forgot.
You have to put ginger garlic paste.
Okay. Let's do that.
Let's do that again.
Okay.
Mama, yeah, we need only eggs.
Oh, we need eggies?
Yeah. You have to crack the egg.
Okay. Let me put this here.
Is anyone watching?
Yeah, everyone are watching you.
You have to crack the egg.
Yeah, I cracked the egg.
It is something of the egg.
To put the rice now.
Yeah.
Can you move?
Ooh. Look. I can stand with you.
I know you're good at stirring with me. I love you. కింద చూసుకో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఎక్కువైపోతుంది. నేను కొడితే నువ్వు కూడా కొడతావా?
Yeah.
Let it cook for 2 minutes. Shall we put the lid on?
Yeah. It's in the now. You have to put the lid on.
Yeah, after some time it will become hot. You should not touch, okay na?
This is cold. I don't touch it.
Oh.
Chef is like to touch this.
Oh, chef likes to touch this. Okay.
Okay.
You're.
If you have to make, put that in.
Okay. If I put there, you will tell. Okay. Chip.
Then it's really loud.
ఎగ్ ఫ్రైడ్ రైస్కి ఏమేమి కావాలో చెప్పు. ఇప్పుడు వరకు నువ్వు చూసినావు కదా.
You need egg fried rice.
ఎగ్ ఫ్రైడ్ రైస్కి ఏం కావాలి? హౌ డిడ్ యూ మేక్ దిస్?
We have to put the lid on.
Lid కాదురా. ఫస్ట్ you put some oil and then what was that? I put the second one. ఏం వేసాను దాంట్లో?
You put onions.
Onions. Very good. And after onions?
You put the ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste. Okay. What's ఇంకేం వేసా?
You put salt in there.
Salt. ఇంకా salt ఇంకా?
You put egg in there.
Egg. ఇంకేం వేసా?
You put rice in there.
Rice. Perfect. ఇంకా you're forgetting 3 ingredients.
I got 3
3 or 4 ingredients.
4 ingredients?
You asked me to put them.
I asked you to put the lid on.
అది కాదు. You asked me to put పసుపు, right? Turmeric. చేయకుందని చెప్పాగా. Oh, God bless you.
Then we put pasupu in there.
పసుపు ఇంకా
We put rice in there.
కారం వేస్తున్నావు కదా. కారం, పసుపు, curry leaves. Oh, is it done?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to take it out.
Shall we put some coriander leaves?
Yeah.
You want to serve?
Yeah. I need the stuff. Yeah, we have to put egg down there.
ఇంకా చాలు. Enough.
What? Give me the handle, please.
Oh, this one, the lid.
You have to turn off that. You have to stop this Jimmy up there.
Yeah. Shall we go and give it to Daddy?
Yeah. Good for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm the spoon.
Okay,
Oh, and
thank
a
you so
spoon.
much. Can I have a spoon, please? Yeah. Okay.
I need the
Oh, you got a pig! Wow!
not the green cheese on the top of it.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to feed Daddy? That's so cute, Avyaan.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
మళ్ళీ
It's so
better
tasty.
నేను పిక్చర్ తీస్తా.
What? So tasty.
Very good, Avyaan.
Very good. It's so
Is
awesome.
it? How is the taste, Daddy?
It's kind of good.
It's very, very nice. Very sweet.
Very yummy,
good.
Anta.
Very yummy. Wow.
Here
Thank
you
so
go,
much.
Anta. That's really nice of you, Avyaan.
It's much more tastier now.
Yeah, because Avyaan made it. చాలా నీట్ గా తినిపిస్తున్నాడు. డాడీ తినని నాన్న.
Here comes the aeroplane.
Rocket.
Oh, here comes the rocket.
He has a jet plane.
Oh, here comes the jet plane. Oh my God, Daddy, let him eat, Nana.
He got a car.
Car. Oh,
He has a motorbike.
motorbike. Wow.
Fast.
నాన్న డాడీని తినేసారు ఇంకా అంత ఫాస్ట్ గా పెడితే హౌ కెన్ హీ చూ.
I need. Okay?
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you so much.
He has a plate.
ప్లేట్.
He has a phone.
ఇంకా చాలు. నౌ ఓకే. That was really nice.
Thank you so much, Avi. Thank you so much. It's brilliant. It's wonderful. So tasty. This is the best. Yeah, this is the best fried rice I ever had. Thank you so much.
Life shares the skies. The hello, Simons.
Yeah, and hit the bell icon.
The bell icon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed Avyaan's video, Avyaan's cooking. So do like, share and subscribe to Hello Busy Moms. Bye-bye.